sponsored. We'll see how that works. Hello, my beautiful sweethearts. Let's just cut right to the chase. I'm making this video because I am turning 30 soon, and I realized that I mostly watch content from creators who are 23, 24, 25, and I'm sort of like, why am I comparing my life, setting my standards for life against these girls who are much younger? I love their content, and I think that younger people, not that they're that much younger than me, but young people have so much ingenuity, creativity, approach things in such a new way that is so refreshing, especially like in the ASMR community. But I'm just hoping to like cultivate, curate a little community of people that are my age. And I'm just here to say, yes, I'm almost 30. I'm still trying to make it in the digital creator space. And I'd love to know recommendations for other people who I could watch and who would want to watch my stuff. And yeah, I see a lot of content from people who are a lot younger than me, and I want to see content from people who are my age and make content about being my age. And I love being the age that I am. I'm so excited to turn 30. I am the most like sure of myself and confident and able to ask for what I want that I've ever been. So why would I want to be any younger than that? So yeah, let's just be stoked about the age that we are. And I definitely felt a lot of pressure to like make it before I was a certain age while I was still like relevant or whatever, but I don't think that's true, and I don't think it's very helpful because I'm gonna like doing this stuff probably for a long time. I don't have to be a certain age necessarily. And yeah, that's it. Welcome, I'm Molly. I make videos on here. I have an Instagram, it's Responsible Regalia, and I also make ASMR videos. And I'm starting to stream on Twitch as well for my ASMR channel, so that's Mulgar ASMR. Here I am, I'm about to be 30. Welcome to all of the people in their late 20s, early 30s. Can't wait to get to know you. Bye.